Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this fun crochet granny square. I recommend that you use fine yarn and an F hook. This was made with a bigger hook and medium worsted yarn. I did use an H hook, but it is really big. The pattern is down below. If this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. There's a link on that down below, and there is a playlist on beginner stitches. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Okay, and let's get started. To get started, you're going to do the magic ring. If this is your first time, there's a link down below. I just wrap it around my fingers and then take my hook under and grab that yarn. And then I do a yarn over and pull through, and then I need a chain of 3. And then I need 2 double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And then chain 2, and then work 3 double crochet again. I'm going to do a color change. When I do a color change, I just like to pull the yarn through the loop, and then I just pull it tight, and then I'm going to do a chain 2. And then work 3 double crochet again. And then chain 2, and then work 3 double crochet. And then you can take your green yarn, your green working yarn, and pull it back through the loop. And then chain 2, and then pull your circle closed. There is going to be a lot of working pieces here. You're going to have to go back and weave in your yarn and cut your pieces. Slip stitch, put your hook through, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull it through again. And then I'm going to chain 3. And then back in this space here, I'm going to go back into it and work 2 double crochet. And then I'm going to chain 1. And then in this space, I'm going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. This will start to be a repeat of double crochets. And then chain 2 here, 3 double crochet, and then chain 1, and then 3 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Instead of 3, you're going to work 2. Along the edge here, you're going to work a double crochet in 3 of these stitches. So find the stitch here, make sure you can get back into it, and work your double crochet. Then go into the next and work a double crochet. And a double crochet in the next. and then you're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet. Instead of 3, you're working 2 now. then chain 2, and then work 2 double crochet. And now along this edge again, you're going to work a double crochet in the next 3 stitches. And then in this space here, you're going to work 2 double crochet. Then chain 2, slip stitch into the chain 3, and then you're going to chain 3, work 2 double crochet back into this space, chain 1, work a 3 double crochet in the space, and then you're going to chain 1, and then in this space you're going to work 3 double crochet, chain 2, work 3 double crochet, chain 1, then work 3 double crochet, chain 1, then work 3 double crochet in the space, you have your 3 double crochet. You're going to do a color change. So you're going to pull the white yarn through, chain 2, work 2 double crochet in the same space, and then along the edge here you're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 7. And then you're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then in the next 7 you're just going to do the same thing and work a double crochet along the edge here. And then you're going to work 2 double crochet, and then you're going to pull your color here through, chain 2, slip stitch into the chain 3, chain 3, work back into the space of 2 double crochet, and then you're going to chain 1, 3 double crochet, then chain 1, and then work 3 double crochet, then chain 1. Then in this corner, work 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. And then chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet. Chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Chain 2, 2 double crochet. Along this edge, you're going to work 11 double crochet. And then you're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And then along this edge, work 1 double crochet in the next until you get back to the beginning. Okay, so you did the 1 double crochet in the next 11, and then you're back at the beginning. You're going to do 2 double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch into the chain 3, chain 3, go back into the space and work 2 double crochet. You're going to chain 1, work 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1, along this edge work 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet until you get here. Okay, in the space here you're going to work 3 double crochet, and then you're going to pull your white yarn through, tighten it with your green, then chain 2, work 2 double crochet, and then along the edge here you're going to work a 1 double crochet along here for a total of 15. Make sure you go into this first one here. Okay, work that until you have your total of 15 until you get to the space. Then you're going to work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. and then 2 double crochet. And then along this edge, you're going to work 1 double crochet in the next 15 until you get back to the beginning. Just like you did on this side, you're going to do it on this side to get back to the beginning. Okay, now you're going to do 2 double crochet. Pull your yarn through and chain 2, slip stitch into the chain 3, chain 3, then work 2 double crochet. This is all repeat, all done in one color. There will be no more color changes. Chain 1, work your 3 double crochet. And then chain 1, work your 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1 until you get here, which will be 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So make sure you did your chain 1 and then do your 3 double crochet. Then chain 2 and then 3 double crochet. Chain 1, then work 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, repeat, repeat, then you get to chain 1 until you get to here. So this is all repeat. You're going to do 3 double crochet here after your chain 1, 3 double crochet, then chain 2, then 2 double crochet, and then along the edge here, work 1 double crochet in the next 19 until you get to here. Work 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And then along this edge, it's the same thing, just like you did here. It's going to be 1 double crochet in the next 19 until you get back to the beginning. This is the last round, okay? And so you're going to work 2 double crochet at the end here. Chain 2, slip stitch into the chain 3. You're going to fasten off. All of these ends on the back, you need to take your yarn needle and weave them in to secure them and to hide them. I do it about 2 to 3 times. It's up to you. And once you're done with that, your square is complete. I hope you enjoyed this crochet granny square tutorial. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thank you for watching.